Now let us demonstrate our basic understanding of pointers by writing a program to add two integer numbers using the concept of pointers. So let us first declare two integers a and b. Let us assign some values to a. So let a be 10 and let b be 20. Now let's have a sum, that is a plus b. Let us declare this variable sum. Sum of percentage d and percentage d is percentage d. So the first percentage d corresponds to a and then b and then sum. So this is a program without a pointer, without using the concept pointers. So let's see if it works fine. Let's compile the program. Name of the program is demo.c. Let's run this program and it's giving us the output correctly. Now let us make use of the concept of pointers that we have learned. First of all, let's create a pointer variable. So we need to create two pointer variables. So create two pointer variables for storing address of a and b. So let pa be the pointer variable. So this is not a pointer variable yet. To make it pointer variable, I need to give asterisk here. Now pa is a pointer variable. Let us make it have the address of a, and pb be a pointer variable having the address of b. Okay, so this is a pointer variable. This is also a pointer variable. Okay, so if I do pa is equals to ampersand a and pb is equals to ampersand b. Okay, so what does it do is, so pa is pointing to a, or I can say pa is having the address of a. Similarly, pb is having the address of b. Okay, now how do I access the content? Like how do I access, if I just write a, I'll directly get the value that is 10. Now can I get the value 10 using pa? Now pa is a pointer. If I do star pa and star pb, star pa is having the address of a. Star pa, what it will do is, it will go to that address of a and then fetch the content. So pa, it will go to the address of a and then fetch the content 10. So star pa would be 10, star pb would be 20. Okay, so I will write here star pa is 10, okay, and star pb is 20. So it will add 10 and 20 and the output again should be 30 sum, that is stored in sum variable. I am printing it in the next line. Okay, so let's see the output now. So I need to compile my program one more time. Run this program. So let's see, I am getting the correct output, that is sum of 10 and 20 is 30. Okay, now if you'd like to see the address of a, or maybe if you'd like to see the address of a, how you can see the address of a, I'll do printf address of a is, maybe I can do percentage d ampersand a, right? I can do ampersand a to get the address of a. So let's see what does it print. It will give me the warning because ampersand a is the address, so it is a pointer. See, ampersand a is the address or the pointer, and this format specifies our integer. So there's a mismatch. That's just a warning. It should still work. Okay. So if I just do edit out, it's giving me address in integer format. Okay, so to avoid this warning, what you need to do is you need to make this should print a pointer, because a is a pointer, and %a is a pointer, not a. Okay, sorry. If I do %p, it will give me the address in hexadecimal format. Okay, now it does not show me any error or any warning, and the output is I'm getting the address of a as this one, which is a hexadecimal address. Okay, I can also print the address of a, because p is a pointer, p not pa is a pointer pointing to a, so I can write content of pa is just pa. Okay, is the address of a, which should be same as address of a. So both the lines should give me the same answer. See, address of a is ampersand a is giving me this value, and pa is also giving me the same value, so they are the same thing. Alright, so hope this is clear to you. You can take this program and try, make your hands dirty, try this out, try various different combinations and see your output. Okay, and make sure you are thorough with the understanding of the basics of pointers. So that's all for this video. So see you in my next video. Thank you.